welcome back to my channel. Today I will be sharing a recipe for sweet chili coconut shrimp. But before we get started, I just need a few ingredients from the store. I already grabbed some peppers, now I'm grabbing some shrimp, and I'll need some sweet chili sauce and coconut cream. So for this recipe, you'll need a few simple ingredients. It is so simple, but yet delicious. You'll need some shrimp. I'm using the jumbo kind. You'll need basil, coconut cream, or coconut milk, but the coconut milk has to be nice and thick. You'll need fish sauce, sweet chili sauce, onions, garlic, some chili peppers, that's optional. You'll need mushroom seasoning or salt and black pepper. So let's start by marinating the shrimp. The shrimp has been washed with lemons, and I will add some fish sauce and some sweet chili sauce to it. Fish sauce has an umami flavor, so it's high in sodium. You don't need salt here. We will mix the combine and set this aside. In a preheated skillet, I will now add the shrimp, and you want to cook the shrimp for about a minute or two on each side. You don't want to cook it too long because we'll be cooking it some more in the sauce. In a clean skillet, I did add some oil, and now I'll go in with my onions and garlic. We'll give it a good toss and allow it to go for about 2 to 3 minutes. Now if you wanted to use the same skillet, you actually can, but I didn't want to do that because I don't want my sauce to be messy. So at this point, you want to add your sweet chili sauce and the coconut cream. We'll also add the seasonings and the fish sauce here to add flavor and taste. You can season to your own liking. Make sure you taste as you go because, you know, the measurements in the description box are just standard and it doesn't suit everyone's taste buds. So you want to taste as you go and just adjust and add seasoning to your own liking. We will let this come up to a simmer and allow it to thicken. Once it thickens, we'll go in with our shrimp. So once the sauce thickens and it looks like this, we will now go in with the shrimp. Now if you're using coconut milk, remember that you'll have to let that sauce reduce so it can thicken up because coconut milk is a little less thicker than coconut cream. So once it thickens, you add the shrimp, let it go for about 2 minutes, and then we'll garnish with some fresh chili peppers. You can omit it if you don't like spicy stuff. And then we will add some fresh basil, and that's it. That's how simple it is to make this, and it's absolutely amazing. Now I will plate it up and I will show you guys the finished product. So I did plate this up with some steamed Chinese broccoli and some garlic and herb basmati rice, and let me tell you, it was a hit in my home. My entire family enjoyed it. They came back for seconds. I know you guys will love it too. And I hope y'all give this recipe a try. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. It helps the channel out a lot. Share it, leave a comment down below, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button for me. I will be leaving all my ingredients and measurements down in the description box. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Have a good day and enjoy.